Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the hump and why it formed. That determines technique. With gloves on, clear the work area and remove trim as needed so you can access both sides. Once done, test whether the metal is stretched or simply displaced. Stretched metal will need fill and finish versus pure push-out. Gather a heat gun, suction or glue puller, body hammer and dolly, and clamps. Make sure lighting reveals the crown precisely, and protect surrounding paint before you ever touch the metal. You heat the area to soften paint and metal slightly, then attach a puller or use weld studs to get a steady, centered pull. Pull in short, measured strokes, and then stop to tap the high center with a body hammer and dolly on the flange side to reverse the hump. The dollied surface stabilizes each strike. Once the major crown is reduced, use a straight edge to verify flatness and plan filler thickness. Make sure to alternate pulling and knocking down to avoid overstretching, or you apply a thin skim of body filler only where needed, keeping it under 1/8 inch to avoid flex issues, then sand through 80, 180, and 320 grits for a smooth profile. Prime and inspect under good light. If you see a return of the hump, that tells you metal was stretched or a crease remains. Go back, remove filler, and rework the metal with additional heat and targeted pulls. Make sure to blend primer and paint gradually, so the repair is invisible and durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.